So I start the commenting. Commenting works with a central server, so you have to set up one server component with an SQL server in the background. And then I log in with my password. And here you see a list of all the comments. So currently only one comment is in. We have the change view button that brings me directly into the view where that comment was created. So the comment was about a clash, and you clearly see here is a clash. I go back to the comment. Now I can view my comment, and that tells me the tag I've gave to the comment, the title, the discipline to resolve. I will just create a new comment so that you see how it works. Here you see I've already have a list of all actions taken. So here I complain about I see the clash, but I cannot move the steel, which was the suggested action. But let's do a new comment. So I go to my 3D view, and some minutes before I discovered that my demo model is not perfect, because here there is a connection missing. So I see that. Now I go to my comments view, create a new. You see automatically a picture was taken from that situation. So even later on, if that is resolved, you see the picture of the status when the comment was created. I can create a stage, and all of those drop-down lists or lists I show you, they are free configurable by the end user. So there is an admin tool provided for the admin to set up all those list objectives, types, so that can be done by yourself. Let's assume I'm in the 60% review. My objective is definitely a design fix. It's the P102. Title is no connection. I don't need a reference. Discipline to resolve for sure is piping. Type is a design change. Workshare is here in Ismaning. I can set a deadline date, so I can later on report on it. Construction area is sulfur recovery A. Originator, so that who originates the issue, that's me. If you are in a design review and that originator is not available in the list of users, you can also set your own name here, but that's okay for now. You can choose if it's only your private issue, if it's to all users except the client, or even the client should see that issue. There is no connection, that's the description, and suggested action is place flange. Okay. Now I save it. And now my issue was stored to the central server. And from that point on, everybody can see that issue. If your list grows longer, you can set filter here to filter on disciplines, types, and whatnot. I cancel it. So now the next user can go in. He can view the comment, and maybe he already placed the flange. So in that action list, I type placed flange. That was a typo. Save it. And now it asks me if the status of the comment should be set to resolved. So maybe like in the clash, I only have a comment but could not resolve it. Here I assume I could resolve it. It asks me if it should add the approval image, and to check in the 3D view if that approval image is okay. That's okay. So I type on yes, and now you see it adds the image to that comment. I continue. Now the percentages are raised to 70%. Even that can be defined by your administrator, what percentages are assigned. And now the engineer or the responsible engineer can reject or approve that comment. I approve it. Now it has even more percentage and so on. So that's just the basic concept, and that's a very powerful tool to just track your issues in your plant so nothing gets lost.